That's a great question. What is a healthy city? And it's one I get asked all the time. People say, where can I go and kick the tires? And I've got to say, it's complicated. The examples tend to be very small developments that do everything right, but for 200 people or 400 people, or else a whole city that does everything right for one dimension, like a bicycle-friendly city. It's really hard to find examples that do lots of things right to make a healthy city and do it across a big area. That said, there are actually 6 different ways that you can create a healthy city. There are healthy built environments, so places where people have tried to make the environment as a whole healthier, parks, trails, bicycle infrastructure. There are what are called healthy cities or healthy communities, which is a program that comes out of public health that thinks more about collaboration across sectors. So it thinks about how health people can collaborate with education, with planning, with government, with business. Then there are sort of healthy cities that take a population angle. The most common are age-friendly cities or child-friendly cities. So thinking about both ends of the lifespan as organizing principles. And finally, although many people see them as not real healthy cities, there are also high technology healthy cities, either health being the major employment in a city, so it's a healthcare city, a healthcare industrial city, or increasingly I see developers interested in adding sort of health monitoring gadgets to a city, creating a sort of a smart city with a health angle. In a way, all of these are kind of partial views, and you could imagine putting them together. But no city has done any one of those approaches perfectly.